Kweth mar Azimio la Umoja wan Kenyalaso kwedo kang mar sirikal chuga put manono gope ma Kenya ntiere godo. Jatend Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka wacho ni okang no en ataro mar chike mathurka. Jotelo mag Azimio molose kaunti ma Meru bende noseo sirikal ewi okenge mamoko ma okelo liet ne Kenya ka oriwo golo jolweny oko mar kambi.
To look at the debt situation in the country is unconstitutional. And we know that those who have been asked to serve in that task force will have taken note. The office of the Auditor General is the constitutional office mandated to be able to deal with this matter. When the youth engaged Ruto on the X space, he undertook to do several things, maybe even to reshuffle his cabinet. Kenyans are saying, whether you reshuffle your cabinet or not, the problem is not the new or the old cabinet of William Ruto. It is Ruto himself. This is what the youth are telling you. This is where the way forward is to have IEBC in place. We repeat, then call for a snap election. And what happened in the UK the other day will surely happen in Kenya. Complete wiping out of a corrupt regime. And what is about to happen in France will also perhaps continue. Change is everywhere.